Hey there! Welcome to my channel. You might want to speak English better, but you don't know where to start? No worries! Let me guide you with these 5 easy tips that'll help you get better super fast. Let's dive in! Tip 1. Think in English. Instead of translating, try to think directly in English. Start simple. You've got an apple? Don't think about it in your native language, but think apple yourself. Simple? Tip 2. Speak regularly. Practice makes perfect. Even on your own, talk in English. Describe what you're doing, what's on your mind, or read something out loud. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Tip 3. Stick to it. You don't need all fancy words or complicated grammar. Write short and clear sentences. If you need to say, I want to buy a phone, just say, I need to buy a phone. That's what it means more. Tip 4. Listen and repeat. Watch movies or listen to podcasts in English. As you listen, repeat what you hear, and make sure you follow the pronunciation. Doing this will help with your accent and make speaking English easier. Tip 5. Enjoy the ride. Don't be scared to make mistakes. The more you practice speaking, the faster progress you'll see. Just be confident and have fun with it. And hey, that's it for today. Follow these tips daily, and you'll be speaking like a pro in no time. If these tips are helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.